Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm Arif, your cloud learning journey partner. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to get prepared for your cloud engineer job. So we all know that cloud computing is evolving. It's changing the whole IT industry. So now more and more companies are moving their data from on-prem to the cloud, because in cloud there are a lot of benefits. It's cost efficient, the security is better, and there is almost like zero downtime. So now I think this is the perfect time to learn some skills related to cloud computing and get into this particular job field. So whether you are a beginner, like you just finished your studies and now you want to start your career in IT, specifically cloud computing industry, or you want to do a career transition, this video gonna help you both. Because in this video I'm gonna help you to understand how should we get prepared for this cloud engineer jobs. I'm gonna share 5 particular tips that gonna help you to land your first cloud computing engineer job. So before starting the video, I just want to talk about myself. I'm Arif. I do have more than 8 years of experience in cloud computing and cybersecurity. I hold multiple certification in AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. Besides that, I also hold CISSP and CCSP certification, which are the industry standard of cloud security certification. So this channel is all about cloud computing, cybersecurity, and IT career tips. And I'm gonna upload a tons of videos related to this topic. So please like and subscribe to my channel so that you can see my upcoming videos. Without further delay, let's dive in. The first step towards a cloud engineer job hunt is to understand the basic. You have to spend time, you have to know what is cloud computing, what are different deployment model of cloud computing, and what are the benefits of cloud computing, and how the on-prem traditional data center is different than the cloud environment. Because most of the time what happens is that when you were sitting for any job interview, they're gonna ask you very simple basic questions. So they really want to understand whether you do have the basic understanding of the job, whether you know the cloud computing well. Because if you have the strong backbone, if you understand everything like the basic, then it's very easy to build on top of it. So for that reason, please focus on the basic. So I also did that when I first started to learn cloud computing. My initial approach was to go through as much information as I can. First I went through all the documents that are available on internet. Pretty much like I was fascinated by the power of cloud computing. Just think about it. Whenever you are working a cloud console, you can be a solutions architect, you can be a DevOps engineer, you could be system administrator, you can be a security guy. All of this under a single account, under a single console from any specific major cloud provider. So for that reason, my suggestion to you is that please focus on the basic, because once you know the basic, then when you go to the medium or higher level of configuration, it will be easier for you to relate to it, because then you can find out why it's happening. And at the very end, the better clarification you have about the technology, the better engineer you will be. My second suggestion is to master the cloud platform. So whenever we're talking about cloud computing, we are mainly talking about 3 major key players, 3 major cloud providers. These are AWS, Amazon Web Service, the second one is Microsoft Azure, and the third one is Google Cloud. So if you know these 3 clouds, that means you are all sorted. So the good question could be out of among these 3, which one should I go for first? Well, if we see the current market, job market, the AWS is the industry leader. So that means if you are good in AWS technologies, you will have much more opportunities than any other cloud providers. So my suggestion to you is to please start your cloud journey with AWS. Try to learn AWS from ins and out. Try to get at least 2 to 3 certification in cloud, specifically in AWS. Once you have this certification, then you will have a very good understanding on AWS cloud. So it's cloud computing pretty much like the programming language. Like if you know C, you can easily learn C++, C#, and other programming language, because the basic is the same, just the syntax are different, right? So it's the same thing with the cloud computing. Once you learn one particular cloud very well, then you can easily transition to the another cloud, because all the basic concepts are same, just the names or a little bit configuration are different. So my suggestion is to you first start your cloud learning with AWS, spend a good amount of time, get some certification, get some hands-on experience. Once you have all of it, then the next step you can go for Azure, because Azure is also getting pretty popular nowadays. And once you have some understanding on Azure, then go for the Google Cloud certification, because nowadays there is the new term called this multi-cloud. So if as a IT engineer, the cloud engineer, if you know three major cloud platforms, that's a game changer, guys. And in your CV, if you mention like you have knowledge to this particular three clouds, then you're gonna get a lot of calls and you will definitely land to your dream job. Third suggestion is to develop programming or scripting skills. Well, as a cloud engineer, sometimes you have to also do some automation, and for that you need to have some sort of programming knowledge. In cloud nowadays, the serverless is becoming more and more popular. So that means the logic behind is that there is no particular server to maintain for hosting your code. So it will be more of like everything gonna be managed from cloud provider side. All you need to do is to deploy your code. So that's pretty awesome. And for that, you need to have some sort of programming language. And cloud computing, I think if you know Python, it's pretty good, because Python is more compatible to any cloud providers. That's one thing. And also scripting is also very important, because if you are working as a DevOps engineer, then you have to do some automation, and for automation you need to have the scripting knowledge. So that's why please develop the skill set. One more thing I want to mention in here, as a cloud engineer, maybe many times you have to work with some JSON script or some YML script. So for that, please develop your skills in that. It will make your life way easier. So it could be intimidating at the very first, because maybe you don't have the knowledge, but the good part is there are tons of free resources online that you can use. All you need to do is to spend some time and go through all the things and practice. Once you do it, then every day you're gonna add some new skills, which will make your life way easier as a cloud engineer, and also your opportunities will grow. The fourth suggestion is to learn networking and security of cloud computing. So just let's talk about a scenario. So you work for an enterprise level company, and they do have their on-prem data center, and now they're planning to migrate their data from on-prem to the cloud. So what should be their main concern? Just guess, a wild guess. It should be the security, because so far they manage the security in-house, but when they're moving their data to a cloud, that means the security is not under their control. So they really take it very seriously. They will think like whether is there any data breach event risk, or how the data is being encrypted at rest, in transit. So it's a lot of questions they need to figure it out. So at that point, as a cloud engineer, if you can suggest them the proper configuration needed for security, like how to secure the environment, how to use multiple firewalls, how to block a certain port in the security groups, then guess what? Your employer gonna be really pleased with you, because you are providing valuable knowledge. So in cloud, if you know security, then it's a very good side for your career. So whenever we're talking about security, the one element it always comes with it, that is the networking, because networking is the biggest part of security. You really need to know how things are connected, all connected in the environment. For that, you really need to know the virtual private cloud, because this is the main thing where you deploy everything. So this is the main building block in cloud computing. So you really need to know inside out of the networking. You need to know how the subnet works, how the route table works, how the NAT gateway works. So for that, once you have this skill set like networking and the cloud security, then you will see the change. Then you will know exactly like how to secure environment, how to deploy multiple application in a multi-tier solution way. So that's a very good thing to do. So if you have these two skill set, then you are all sorted as a cloud engineer. The fifth and most important tips to get a cloud engineer related job is to have hands-on experience. There is no other alternative than that, because when you are learning something new, it's okay to rely on some books, some articles to have the foundation. But once you have it, like for any sort of technology, you need to practice it. You need to have the hands-on experience. So please do one thing every day. Please spend at least half an hour to go through multiple cloud consoles, and from there try to deploy some servers, deploy some database, try to configure the network, try to configure the security aspects of it, so that when you will get your job, then it will be able to do all of the work. It will make your life way easier. Even after practicing all of this, it will help you to develop the confidence, and in the interview process you will be much more confident and you can answer everything in a more detailed way. So that's must have to be done. There is no other alternative. And also, once you start to deploy stuff, then you will know like how how multiple services integrate to each other, and how you can come up with a very best solution. You can create multi-tier application deployment. You can make sure that all the services security are in a place. So there is no other alternative than spending some time to go through AWS console, Google Cloud Console or Azure console, and learn the nitty-gritty small details about all the services. There you have it. Now you know exactly how to prepare for a cloud engineering related jobs. So just keep in mind that at the very beginning you're gonna face like it's a lot of things to do, it's a lot of work. But if you keep the momentum, if you do it every daily basis, then eventually in few months you're gonna feel a change. Then it will be more of a daily routine for you. If you guys have any questions related to the points that I mentioned today, please let me know in this comment section, and I'm gonna reply you back in a very short period of time. Thank you so much guys for watching our videos. Our community is growing, and more and more people like us, those who are interested in cloud computing, interested in IT, are joining us. And the main idea, the main mission behind this channel is to create a community where everybody will help each other to become a better IT professional. If you want me to cover any specific topic related to IT, please let me know in this comment section, and I'm gonna do that for you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel so that you can see my upcoming videos. Well, that's all for today. Have a good and wonderful day.